Use a 6 mm hex key to loosen the front wheel fixing bolts. Pull out the fixing bolts. Remove the front wheel. Use a T25 Torx wrench to remove the 6 screws that fix the disc brake rotor. Install the disc brake disc with the arrow facing outwards. Apply thread locking adhesive to the 6 screws. Tighten the 6 fixing screws alternately in a diagonal pattern. Install the disc brake disc facing the left handlebar. Install a washer on the fixing bolt. Apply thread locking compound. Align the holes and insert the front wheel. Tighten the fixing bolts.